I got some edges for y'all. Anybody need some edges? Edges for sale. Edges for sale. Girl, I got you. I got a whole pile of them right here. Right here. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Kendra here, MissKenK. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring my bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. So today I am gonna, you guys see it, okay? You already see it, okay? Yes, the elephant in the room. I did cut my hair, you guys. I have been telling you guys that I was gonna cut my hair. Just didn't know when or what I was going to do to it. So I am starting my haircut journey now. So you guys know I am like the tapered queen. I have given myself that title, not to toot my own horn, but toot toot. Yes, so I usually keep my hair short, but here lately I've been wearing my little medium length short hair. And I've been styling it like crazy. So you guys have seen that. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys how I cut my hair. And this is as long as it's gonna get for a while. So if you guys are interested and you wanna see how I cut my hair, then definitely keep on watching. First of all, you guys, this lighting is trying to play me. Got me out here looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost. It just washed out all my melanin, so forgive me if I'm looking casket ready. I added another light to my studios, and I obviously need to figure out how to work it properly. So as you can see, this is my hair, and I'm going to show you here right now how I already need a trim, basically. But since I'm going to be going through my trimming and I've been saying how I want to cut my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. So right now I'm just looking at how I want to shape my hair, and I know that I want the back gone. So I'm going to be cutting off the back, and here we go. Let's go ahead and get started. I am going to take, I always start with my sides because that's what frames my face. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut. I'm going for like the heart shape, but the really short heart shape cut. So as you can see, I'm going to cut at an angle, and I'm just going to be grabbing my hair, pulling it out, and then cutting. So just watch and see how I do this side here. And then I'm just going to repeat the same things on the other side. The best thing I can tell you when cutting your hair is to section it off. So you want to section your top and your sides separately. It just makes it easier for cutting, and you'll see later on in the video how I sectioned off the top of my hair. And this is one side. Now we're going to move on to the other side. So the idea is to keep the top kind of long to where, you know, it kind of hangs over, and then everything else is just going to be tapered down to the neck. So as you can see here, as I get closer to my neck, my hair is getting shorter. So that's kind of the angle and the way that you want to cut it if you're going for a taper cut. So keep in mind, you guys, I am not a professional. I'm not a licensed cosmetologist. I just know how my hair works and how to cut my hair. It's not 100% perfect, but it works for me, and it looks pretty darn good if you ask me. So again, I am keeping the top long because that's where all of my height is coming from. And I'm basically doing a trim here. I'm not really cutting too much of my hair, but I am ensuring that my bangs are even, and then the sides of my hair are also even. All right, you guys, so this is my final cut. This is what I'm going to be rocking for a little bit until I'm ready to chop it up some more, maybe get rid of the sides a little bit more. So yeah, so you guys didn't really get to see much of the back because it's kind of hard for me to film and cut at the same time. But I did want to let you guys know that I just followed the same process that I did on the sides. I basically followed that all the way around to the back, and I just cut up the back into a taper. So I am loving this style. I'm giving y'all some Whitney Houston vibes, am I not? Am I not? So I got this little bob thing going on. I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like when I straighten my hair. This is how much hair I ended up cutting off. Yeah, I am not my hair. It doesn't bother me to cut my hair. I love to cut my hair. You guys know I love short hair, but I do need to get the back shaped up. It is not clean back here. I got hair growing down my neck. So yeah, I'm going to go to the barbershop to get that cleaned up, and I'll definitely show you guys what it looks like after I get it cleaned up. Oh, you guys, so the next step would be to get some color, and I'm not quite sure what type of color I want to get. I don't know yet, but you guys definitely comment down below and let me know what color you think I should rock. You guys know I've always had like the copper red type of thing. I've had blonde-ish. So I don't necessarily want to go the red route, but I don't want to go the blonde route, but I'm going to have to go to the blonde route to either get to the color that I want. So I don't know, you guys, let me know. I know the spring is coming and that calls for bright, vibrant colors. So give me some suggestions. Let me know what you think, what color you think I should color my hair. And yeah, we'll go from there. All right, you guys, so this is my final look. This is what we have so far. And like I said, this is the start of my haircut journey. This is going to be the longest that my hair is going to be for a while. I will continue to cut it up until I get it to the point that I want it. But I'm just interested in trying different shapes on my face to see what looks great. But there's so much I can do with this cut right here. So I'm super excited to show you guys how I'm going to be styling it. So definitely stay tuned to those videos. And what you see here is just a flat twist out. If you want to know how I do my flat twist outs, I will definitely link it right here in the card so that you guys can find that, and also in the description box it will be linked. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think about the cut down below, and don't forget to let me know what hair color you think would suit this style. And if you have any questions, definitely post them down below in the comment section, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye guys.